Joe is currently pumping, right? We have all the stars are aligned. Can you see it's pumping? It's looking good. Can you see that the parabolic star is under? Can you see that the RSI is not more than 80? So we're good to go. Let's go with Joe, guys. Let's go with Joe. We'll pick up $50 worth of Joe, and we'll see. Yeah, welcome Aruga, welcome. So can you see that? All we just have to do, guys, is just to pick it. Yeah, we are picking it. Let's pick the higher price. Okay, let me just pick the normal price. If it will go with it, fine. We actually just bought that. Guys. $50 worth of Joe. Yeah, can you see that we just bought it? Okay, so how much did we buy? We bought $49.90 worth of Joe, which is awesome. Now, next up is for us to go and set our sell limit. What was the highest it went to in the past 24 hours? 9670. So now, because this is a coin that is more than 1 cent. Okay, so I have to go and do it in convert limit. I could still do it in this spot trading, but it won't pick up everything. Look, if I try to pick, it will not pick up everything. Only picking up 58 point, only 2 decimal points, but we have 5 decimal points here after 53. So I needed to pick up everything. Because it's not picking up everything, I have to go and do this in convert limit, not convert. It's not the convert market, it's convert limits, okay? Because I want to make sure I dictate what I want and it will come out at the price I want, okay? So we are in limits, right? And then we click on USDT, put in our Joe. Don't forget that was 49.90, and then we change that to USDT. All right, so we have to now figure out how to get 2% extra, right? I put in the max. As you can see right now, we're slightly lower than the amount that we got. Of course, trading fees were deducted. So I'm going to take this to 9.5 and see what we will get. Oh, 50.90. No, I want it to be at least 51. Let's make this 6. Okay, 51. Okay, let's make it 5.5. Let's see what that's going to give us. Okay, this is fine. 2% is just cool. 2% plus a little extra change on it. That's fine. So I place my Joe. All right, I'm placing the trade right now. Why did I go with this trade, guys? I told you that everything has to align with those 3 rules, okay? Those are the things that you need to be checking, guys. You see that, right? This was 71, still within range. Can you see that we have the parabolic stars under it, which is still good? And then we had it was pumping, but you know, it's just going up and down, but it was pumping. So those are the very important things that we needed to take note of, and we have set in our trade. So I'm just going to go ahead and just take the screenshot of this because I want to make sure I have record of that, right? So that is good. So is that clear? Did you understand that really well? I hope you did. Yeah. Good news makes the world go round. And as you can see, in spite of the redness of, the crypto world, the crypto market, we still had a trade execute. I mean, see, how much we bought it and how much we made. So first off, we are going to go and check on our trade history and see how much. $49.90. As you can see there, $49.90. Just in case you're finding it a little blurry where you are, maybe it's a bit blurred where you are, just change the resolution. Just change the resolution on your screen. It's probably in your settings or something. You'll be able to see where you can put a higher resolution. Okay, so it cost us $49.90, which is good. And then we're going to go over to convert to go and see what exactly the profit is. So we are currently, as you can see here, this is it. This is Joe. We made $51. That means that we actually made $1.27. If you're calculating it, that means $51.17 minus calculations properly, because we need to check the percentage profit that we made, which is very important for every trade that we do, because we want to believe that, we want to learn the lessons from different trades. So we have 51.17, all right, minus 49.90. Okay, as you can see here, this is $1.27, and the profit potential would be, I'm just going to take the $49.90, okay, and It was 127, 2.51 or 52 or 55. Yeah, something in that range, 2.55%, which is just a cool one, guys.